Welcome to ER Central. ER Central is a site for students to learn to read and learn vocabulary. It's also a site for teachers. This video is for students. First, you should type in your username and your password. If you don't have this, you can easily register as a student here. Let's log in. You can now see your username. At any time, you can change the interface from English to Japanese or to Korean or English. Let's go to Korean and English. Let's stay in English. You can see there are different menus. There's a reading room, a listening room, vocabulary room. You can see your progress and your settings, and you can test your level. In the student homepage, you can see things to read, to listen to, and to learn. Different things you can do. Let's look at the reading library. Here I have set for level 14, but let's change to level 8 and search. You can also search by looking at the categories, factual or story or for children. Let's just look at, for example, Mystery on Eagle Mountain. Click on Eagle Mountain and you will see some information. You can see its level, you can see how many words it is, and how much you have read. 0. You can bookmark it to keep it to remember later, or you can read it now. The text will come up, and here is the text. You can see, you can return to the home page, reading library, or look at your reading bookmarks, or do speed reading anytime. When you want to go to the next page, you just click to the right, and so on, and so on, and so on. At any time, if you don't know a word, you can click the word, right-click, and then you will see its definition in English. If you have set this for Korean or Japanese, you will see Korean or Japanese here. If you want to remember this word and click to save this word to learn later, then click here. And now it's added to My Words. We'll look at this later. Go to the next page, and when you have finished, you click Finished. When you finish, you want to rate the text. This helps other students understand whether you like the text or not. So we like the text. Was the story easy? It was quite hard. And so we're going to click like this. Now you can take a quiz if you wish, or no quiz. Let's take a quiz. When you take the quiz, you have only 3 minutes, and you can take the test only 1 time. So here is your counter. So let's just take the quiz and see how we go. You have to answer all the questions. And when you've finished, click Submit. Oh, not very good. And back to our library. So we're now back into the reading library. Let's now look at the listening library. And similarly, we can choose something, for example, sushi. We see what we want to do, we can bookmark it to remember it for later, and listen and read. The difference is that now we have the listening text. So we have this button.
Okay, Matthew, we're going to talk about food.
Okay.
What kind of foods do you like?
And now you can listen
well, now I'm in Japan. At the moment, I'm eating a lot of sushi.
and
I've only
finished.
got 2 weeks left here, so it's kind of sushi 3 times a
Take the
week.
quiz and answer the questions to see how we go. And submit. Oh, better this time. At any time, you can return to this screen, and now let's look at what you've been doing. So your progress is here. You can see you have read or listened to 6 texts, how many words you have done, your quiz score, and your average rating for these words, these texts. At any time, you can see how many texts you have read and how many words you have read up here, and tells you how long and what your reading levels are. You can change your level at any time by going here. Now we are going to take our listening test. So you put the mouse over here, and the text in the black section will change. So you read and think, is this easy? If it's easy, choose this level. If you think it's too difficult, go down, go down, go down, and so on. Let's choose level 7. Choose this level. Or level 8, sorry, level 8. And you've been updated. Close the box, and you will see that you're back to your settings again. So let's now look at the vocabulary room. Let's learn some words. First, you choose which list of words you want to choose. Let's choose My Words and start. The first word is answer. Do you know this word? Yes, I know it. A solutional problem to a test question. Was I right? Yes. So, right. Attribution. Do you know this word? No, I don't know it. Assigning some quality or character to a person or okay, so, thank you. And so on, and so on, and so on. Stop. There are also some other games that you can play. Different games here. For example, this one. Choose the My Word list, find the pairs, and start. Here you have to find a pair. No. And so on and so on. You match the pairs like this, and we can continue. So there are different games you can do here. Add words. In this area, you choose which words you want to add. So nest was a word we looked at before, so now we're going to take this word and we're going to add it to My Words. Add word to lists. And now nest is something that you can learn. And you can learn them here. This is an introduction to ER Central. We hope you enjoy this website and that you will have a lot of time. Please tell your friends about this and enjoy using the website.